Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you a quick overview of the Philips Ruins Datapack as well as how to download and install it on your server. Philips Ruins is based on adding ancient lore to your world and adding more exciting structures to the game. The main focus of this datapack is to improve the player's experience on ancient history of Minecraft and exploration. What is even more exciting is that new structures spawn based on tiers. For example, say you found one of the ruins and it looks small with no chests included, this means you found a level 1 ruin. But if you found another ruin with a chest included, it means you found a level 2 or 3 ruin with level 2 or 3 loot. This datapack comes with a randomized loot table system. Each ruin you come across that has a chest, the loot will be randomized and based off of the ruin's tier level. The higher the tier level of the ruin, the more rewarding the loot will be. Keep in mind that higher leveled ruins are more challenging to find but include better rewards. So far, there are 200 new structures added to the game and more to be added in the future. First, you're going to need to go to the Datapack's website. You can find the link in the description below. Go to the Files section from the menu at the top. Make sure the Datapack is compatible with the version your server is on. Go to the Datapack version you want, then click the 3 dots to the right and click Download File. You will need to wait 5 seconds before it automatically downloads the file. We recommend dragging the file to your desktop so it's easier to find. Go to your server's control panel. Make sure your server is set to a version that is compatible with the Datapack. Before proceeding, make sure your server is offline. Next, head over to your Files section and open the World folder. Then, open the Datapacks folder. Now you want to drag and drop the Datapack file into this folder. Then you can turn on your server and wait till it's online to see if the Datapack has installed correctly. After doing so, head over to the Console tab to make sure your Datapack is installed. You can see it's installed when it says Done near the bottom. Make sure there aren't any errors relating to the Datapack. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!